Hi Elijah, it's Mimi story time. Today we have a fall Halloween one. You ready? Pete the cat, 5 little pumpkins. Look at them. Can we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's Pete the cat. And who's that? It's a frog in a witch's hat on a motorcycle broom. This story might be interesting. So this is by James Dean. Let's see what we got. You ready? 5 little pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With Pete the cat. Sitting on a gate. The first one said, what do you think he said? Oh my, it's getting late. Look, the moon's out. Oh, and Pete the cat has a watch to tell time. The second one said, what do you think the second one's gonna say? The witchers are in the air. Oh, they're on the flying broomstick motorcycle thingy. That's crazy. The third one said, but we don't care. The fourth one said, what do you think the fourth one's gonna say? I have to just say, do you see Pete the cat? He's wearing sneakers. Let's run and run and run. So how are the pumpkins running without feet? These are the things I think of. The fifth one said, what do you think the fifth one says? It's ready for some fun. He's ready for some fun. They're going to go trick-or-treating. It must be Halloween. Oh. Ooh. Went the wind. The wind's blowing. Ooh. Blew his hat right off his head. You see that? His hat blew right off his head. Out went the lights. And the 5 little pumpkins, you got out a flashlight. What do you think? Rolled out of sight. Oh, that's a cute little book. Happy Halloween. That sounds like fun. Did you see Pete the cat? He was dressed up like a robot. Look at his Halloween costume. He's dressed up like a robot. What are you going to dress up as? Really? That sounds wonderful. All right, well, you be safe and have fun at Halloween. Bye-bye. Till next time.